Look, the road's done gotten white since I've left. Look at all the snow. And still no power. Still no power at all. We're probably gonna freeze. Snowing, cold, we're gonna be frozen. And the temperature's not supposed to come up above freezing until almost Saturday. So this is gonna probably, the snow, whatever sticks, is probably gonna stay here until almost Saturday. Probably Saturday, because it's supposed to ice again on Friday night. So, yeah. We're screwed. God, this road's so bumpy.